Hi guys, this is Moto G23 and you know Moto is known for its clear user experience. You will not find any extra app that you don't need. Let's start with the unboxing. First thing that you find in the box is smartphone. It is already on because of some review purpose. And then there is one card by the Moto. After that you will find one USB cable, 130 watt big charger, and after that you will find some documentation. Now let's talk about the smartphone, but before that must press the subscribe button. Just look at the design. You will not find any difference between Moto G23 and Moto G30. They both are almost same. You will not find any difference between them. In center there is Moto brand, and the top left side you will find triple camera in the different range, and the below that you will find flashlight. Smartphone frame and back panel both are made by plastic. Due to plastic you will find it little bit lightweight. Its weight is around 184 gram and it is also very slim. You will find 8.2 millimeter thickness. Overall weight and thickness is very less, so your hand feel will be very good. Overall build quality is average. You know, in this price range you will find this type of material. Let's talk about Moto G23 display. Here you will find 6.5 inches HD resolution IPS LCD panel. With that you will find 90 Hz refresh rate and 400 nits peak brightness, that is very less. And bezels are also very much thicker. You will find 83% screen to body ratio, that is not good. So overall display is not very much good. Let's talk about Moto G23 performance. You will find Android 13 out of the box. With that you will find Mediatek Helio G85 chipset, that is based on 12 nanometer technology and 2.0 GHz clock speed and Mali G52 graphics for gaming. For RAM you will find only two options, that is 4GB and 8GB, and maximum storage is 128GB. If you want to go above 128GB then you have to use micro SD card. So overall performance is not satisfied. In this price range you can find Snapdragon 695 chipset, that is based on 6 nanometer technology. Let's talk about Moto G23 camera. You will find triple camera at the back side. There is 50 megapixel main camera and 5 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro lens. If we will talk about the image quality, in daylight you will find very good image and the noise is also very less, but condition is not same in low light. In low light image quality is not that much good. On front you will find 16 megapixel selfie camera and you can do full HD video recording from front and back both. Let's talk about Moto G23 battery. You will find 5000 mAh battery, that is enough for 1 or 2 day use. With that you will find 30 watt fast charging support. Let's talk about the conclusion. If you like performance driven phones then the Motorola Moto G23 will not fall into similar category. Since the device got an average hardware setup usually found even in the last 3 generations of entry level phones, but still we know that Motorola phones provide clean UI and make people prefer a bloatware free interface. As for the other factor, the display is what you expect from budget phone is just normal, and battery life is good, that can you use for 1 or 2 days. In this price range you can check Realme 10 Pro as well. You will find good specification in that. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.